In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new matter in Clio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to set permissions and notifications so your team stays aligned. Start by heading to Clio.com in your web browser. Once you're in your Clio account and looking at the main dashboard, you'll see the primary navigation. We'll be working in Clio Manage where your cases and projects live. Give the page a moment to load so all your apps and panels are visible and responsive. Next, click on Matters. This is your central hub for all active and archived work. From here, you can browse existing matters, sort by status, or search if you're double-checking that a matter doesn't already exist. It's a good habit to confirm before creating a new one to keep your database clean and consistent. Now click New Matter. You'll usually find this button near the top right of the Matters page. Clicking it opens a form where you'll define the matter's identity and how it will be handled by your firm. Enter the matter details. Start by selecting the client associated with this matter. Use a clear, standardized naming convention for the matter name so it's easy to recognize in lists and reports. Add a description that briefly captures the scope or key issue. Choose the appropriate practice area if your firm uses them, and set the responsible attorney and any key team members who will be working on it. Update the status to open and select the open date, which helps with reporting and timelines. If your firm uses custom fields, fill those in to capture consistent data across matters, such as jurisdiction, referral source, or internal tags. Review billing preferences if needed, whether the matter should use default firm rates, a specific rate, or a flat fee, so invoices populate correctly later. Choose the matter permissions and notifications. Permissions control who in your firm can view or edit this matter. You can keep it broadly accessible if that fits your workflow, or narrow access to a specific team for confidentiality. Notifications help the right people stay informed about updates, tasks, and important milestones. Select who should receive alerts so communication flows smoothly without overwhelming inboxes. Once everything looks accurate, click Save Matter. You'll be taken to the new Matters overview page where you can immediately see its details, add notes, create tasks, upload documents, and start tracking time. Take a moment to scan the header information to confirm everything is correct. That's it. You've created a new matter in Clio ready for your team to begin work.